Morning, dear friend. Today I am going to discuss with you one of the important topic of research, that is coefficient of correlation and regression. In education, psychology and research, the coefficient of correlation is very important. Correlation. Correlation is a statistical measure for finding out the degree of association between the two variables or more variables. For example, income and expenditure, height and weight, rainfall and yield of crops, price and demand. Here, the word association indicates that the tendency of the variable move together. Let us take the example in similar way. If income is high, then expenditure is also high. According to the L.R. Conner, define the correlation if two or more quantity vary in a sympathy so that the movement in the one end to be accompanied by corresponding movement in the other, then they are said to be correlated. Correlation coefficient or coefficient correlation measure the degree of linear relationship between the two variables. Next point, determination of correlation. There are four methods of computation to coefficient of correlation. First one, rank method or rank difference method or Spearman coefficient correlation. Second one is the covariance method or Carl-Pearson method. Third one is the scatter diagram. Fourth one is the two-way frequency table. Today we shall discuss among four one of the rank method or Spearman coefficient correlation method. Let us take the one example. In a contest, two judges are ranked the seven candidates in order of their performance in the following table. Like candidate A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Therefore, there are seven candidates and two judges. Out of the two judges, rank by judge A is given 2, 1, 4, 5, 3, 7, 6, and rank by judge B is 3, 4, 2, 5, 1, 6, 7. So they can be tabulated in the form of vertical A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and judge A is given 2, 1, 4, 5, 3, 7, 6, and judge B is given 3, 4, 2, 5, 1, 6, 7. Now, when you difference between the two judges about the marks, then the first difference is a -1, second difference is a -3, third difference is a 2, fourth difference is a 0, and fifth difference between the two judges given by the student E is a 2. Again, sixth difference given by the two judges on candidate F will be the 1. Similarly, seventh candidate will get the difference minus 1. So there is a D square. D square means difference square. Difference square is a 1, 9, 4, 0, 4, 1, 1. So total of the D square is a 20. Next, here in questions, n is the total number of person is a 7 and difference whole square is a 20. So rank formula is a 1 minus 6 summation d squared divided by n square minus 1. So in place of d square we shall place 20 and n in place of n we place the n. So when you calculate the rank value will be the 0.64. Similarly, take the another example. In half-yearly examination, 10 students obtained the following marks in physics and chemistry. Now find the rank of correlation. Now rank will be allotted in a vertical way. So marks obtained in physics 90, 30, 82, 45, 30, 65, 40, 88, 73, 66. We have already seen. Similarly, marks obtained in chemistry have also written. Now, marks obtained in physics. Which one is the maximum marks? Now, maximum marks is a 90. So, 90 will given the first position. Second maximum marks is a 88. Similarly, third marks is a less than 88 is a 82. So 82 will be given the third position, and then less than 82 is a 73. So 73 will be given fourth position. Similarly, marks obtained in chemistry. Which one is the highest marks? 90. 90 will be plotted as a first position. Similarly, 85 will be allotted as a second. Similarly, 75 will be allotted as third. Now, next you have to find out the difference. What is the difference? Difference is rank obtained in a candidate A in a physics and rank obtained in chemistry by the candidate A. So difference is a 1. Again 10 minus 10 is a 0. 3 minus 3 is a 0. 7 minus 4 is a 3. So 9 minus 9 is a 0. 6 minus 5 is a 1. 8 minus 7 is a 1. 2 minus 1 is a 1. 4 minus 6 is a minus 2. And 5 minus 8 is a minus 3. So square of D is a 1, 0, 0, 9, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 4, 9. So summation D square is a 22. So by using the formula rank Spearman R equal to 1 minus 6 summation D squared by n squared minus 1. Here n is number of person is 10. So the summation D squared is a 20. So 1 minus 6 into 26 by 10 into 10 whole square minus 1. So R value is a 0.24. Earlier in two cases, what happened? None of the students will get the same marks. Means same position. All students will get the different marks. So we can easily allot the position of the person. But in next question, we have seen that some students will get the same marks. So it's difficult for anyone to allot the position. That is the question number 3. Find the rank correlation coefficient of the following. Here, marks allotted by the A person will be given on the table. Similarly, marks allotted by the B person will be allotted. But what happens when you observe the marks allotted by the A person will be given 115, 109, 112, 87, 98, 120, 98, 100, 98. In that case, 3 times the person will be repeated the same marks. So we cannot allot directly the position of the person. So what happened? First we find out as earlier, what is the maximum marks? Maximum marks is 120. So we suppose 120 is a 1. Similarly, second position is a 118. So we allotted 2. And third position is a 115. We allotted 3. Fourth position is a 112. We allotted 4. And fifth position is a 109. We allotted 5. And sixth position is 100. We allotted 6. But what happened to seventh position? Seventh position is a 98. 98 repeated. So whenever there is a repeated, we can use the average. Average will be the 7th position, 8th position, 9th position, because 3 number will be repeated. If the 3 number will be repeated, then 7 plus 8 plus 9 divided by 3. So 7 plus 8, 9 divided by 3 is 8. So in 3 position we have to allocate 8 because average is 8. So 98 is 8. Again this position is 8. Again this position is 8. So 7, 8, 9 will be fulfilled. What should be left? Only 87. Score by 80. That position will be the 10. Similarly, in case of score B. We have seen that the two times same marks will be allotted, 73 and 73. So it's difficult to allot the position. In that case, what happened? In 7th and 6th position, marks will be the same. So we can use the average 6 plus 7 divided by 2. So 6 plus 7 is a 13. 13 divided by 2 is a 6.5. So in place of 6th position, we have to elect 6.5. In place of 7th position, we have again allowed 6.5. But 8, 9, 10 position are not repeated. So in 8th position, we have to allot it. In 9th position, we have allotted, and even the 10th position, we have allotted. So difference of x and y is equal to -2, -1.5, 3, 2, and similarly. So d square is a 4. So summation of d square is a 42.50. So what is the formula? In case of rank is repeated, formula will be different. That is 1 minus 6 summation t square t into t square minus 1 by 12 whole divided by n square minus 1. So we find out the repeated value. We have seen that series 1 a only the one number, that is 98, is repeated in a 3 times. So t value will be 3. So how to find out the t value? Summation or sigma t in t square minus 1 by 12. That is, in place of t we have to place 3 because t value is a 3. So what is the answer? 2. But in second case of series B, only the 73 is repeated twice, means 2 times. So 2 t value will be 2, and whole value will be the 0.5. Sometimes what happen, in same sequence other number is also repeated, even there is a 76 or other is repeated. In that case you have to use also add the another number. Hence total value is a t square minus 1 by 12, that is t98 plus t73, that is a t plus 0 point, that is the 3.5. Again, if there is a 3 times 4 times, here in that case only the two number will be 98 will be repeated 3 times and 73 will be repeated twice. But in some cases what happened, 74 is also repeated. So if there is 74 is repeated, then you have to add t98 plus t73 plus t74. In same way you have to calculate it. So we have to use the place all the value of d, t, and we get the rank value is a 0.73. So use of rank correlation and coefficient. The rank correlation coefficient are used as measure of degree of association between the two attributes where measurement on the character are not available, but it is possible to rank the individual in some order without a difficulty. It is used in a case where exact or reliable measures are not available. It is used in vocational and applied psychology for finding the degree of correspondence between the abilities. I think all of you understand this topic. Thank you so much.